Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the liquid glass opacity slider on macOS 27. First of all, we have to navigate to the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings in here. On the sidebar, we have to select Appearance, and here we'll see the liquid glass slider, where we can adjust the liquid glass from being ultra clear to fully tinted. Ultra clear options are closer to the left and tinted are closer to the right side. For now it doesn't look impressive, but let's not forget that it's a developer beta still and it's a work in progress feature. And that's basically it. Once you have adjusted preferences here, they will be applied system-wide. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.